Okay, we are recording today. Before I get started, I will just say hello. I am Melanie Bremner, and I am here to help you with your self-publishing and getting affiliate sales on Amazon. And that's what we are going to be talking about today. We're going to cover a couple topics, such as where to find your affiliate link and if you want to try new marketing methods for your books. We'll go into KDP and explore the marketing tab there, and I'll show you how to choose Kindle Select so you can give your books away for free once a month. This will help you get more sales. Okay, so let's do so let's do the link first. So, say you have a book. Let's choose one of my books right now. So we would go down to let's say this one here. I want to sell my ... So this is the sales page, as you can see. And if you are already logged into your account, as you can see, it says hello Melanie, therefore I'm already logged in. Then you can also go up further and see this says get link. So just merely click on it, and what it does is pop up your store name or your affiliate link. So when you had signed up for your Amazon to be an Amazon affiliate, you would have gotten the store ID. So this is mine, and then you just go down, and it gives you is a short link. So it's shortened. If you wanted to have your full link, look how long that is. So mostly people use short links. The only time I could think that you would want a full link was if you were blogging and you wanted to put the full link in, but you were going to write a different text in your actual anchor text. So that's totally another topic for another day. But so now you would just copy this, paste it. What I normally do is for my books, I am on a Chromebook, so let me see if I can find my document. I go to Google Docs, and I have already started I'm launching a new shop, so I've been posting my new books on there, and then I've been recording them, and I have my Amazon links. And if you were to go into see here, you would just get your link that is that. Now that is just a link of where your book is, but that's not going to give you any extra money. If somebody was to click on that and buy, then you would get your $2 to $10 commission or royalty, whatever you've set your book to, over and above the cost of the printing. Normally for mine, it's usually about $3. So, but if you have your link that I just showed you, and you put it in all your documentation, and get used to using that link instead of the other one, then you will get your $3 commission when somebody buys, and you will get, your royalty when somebody buys, and you will get your commission of whatever it is, 4%, 10%. I can't remember what Amazon gives you for books, but you'll get that on top. So say your book is $3 for a royalty, and then you use your link, and your commission is $1. So you would get $4 per book. Now, $1 may not seem like much, but it all adds up. And if you've got like 100 books or more that you're trying to advertise or market, then um, that really can add up over time. So for something so simple to just do, why would you not do it? So, okay, I think that is one good point. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop here and check to see how long the video is. And if it is long enough, maybe I will do a part 2 and we will cover the the other part that we were going to discuss. What was this again? Kindle Select program part. So 1 second, just let me check what the recording is. You can't pause on this tool. Good to know. So what we'll do instead is we will go back and we'll just continue then. So pardon me and forget everything I just said. So we are in our Kindle bookshelf, or our dashboard. I don't know how many books you have, but you should know what the Amazon KDP dashboard looks like. That is this, and across here you will see these. So we want to go to the marketing tab. And as you see here, it says KDP Select. Enrolling in your ebook in our optional KDP Select program gives you the opportunity to reach more readers and earn more money. You can earn a share of the KDP Select Global Fund based on pages read by Kindle Unlimited customers. Enrolling in KDP Select also grants you access to a set of promotional tools, Kindle Countdown deals, and free book promotions. Okay, so let's cover these and we'll see what each one is. So the free book promotions covers scheduling a free book promotion. When can I schedule my book promotion? Confirm your free book promotion is running as expected. Cancel royalties and sales. Okay, so you can have 5 days a month, which as far as I remember. So you can run all 5 days at once, or go 1 day at a time, or offer your ebook for free for multiple days in a row. So then we're not going to cover that because we're not doing it yet. And then you cancel after your 5 days. Royalties. Because your Kindle ebook is available for free during a free book promotion, you won't receive royalties for it while the free book promotion runs. So for those 5 days, you may get a lot of people, traffic-wise, and people grabbing your free book, which ultimately would result in future sales, but for these, you would not get anything. So that is what you're thinking. You're thinking about future sales and not the immediate. And it's only for 5 days a month. So, how many sales ultimately are you going to run for one? Are you going to lose for one book for 5 days? Throughout, especially if you only do a day here, a day there, and a day there. Excuse me. If you run all 5 days at once, then you could lose a bit of sales, but it all depends on how your book's doing in the first place. Like if you're not getting hardly any sales to begin with, and this is the way that you want to get traffic and more eyeballs on your books, and maybe promote or get future interest in your other books, then it's a great way to do it. So, all right, so let's go see what the Kindle countdown is. I've not done this before. So Kindle Countdown Deals allows authors to run limited time discounts only for Kindle ebooks on Amazon.com and Amazon.uk. So they'd see the regular price and the promotional price on the Kindle ebooks detail page. They will also see the countdown clock. The clock shows how much time is left to purchase the Kindle ebook. So if you do not have, like I have a lot of coloring books and kids' picture books and whatnot, and puzzle books, those kind of things you would not have ebooks for. My business books, though, I do have the Kindle version. Sorry, my glasses are crooked. I do have the Kindle versions, so I could run those, but my business books are quite a few years old, and I don't know if they are as current as they should be. Not to mention, because they're older, I've got them at a really low price. So it would pretty much be free if I offered it for a discount. So anyways, that explains that, and that explains your free book promotion. So go here, and you can enroll your ebook by clicking that. Other days, maybe we'll discuss Amazon ads. I'm still learning those, just so I don't lose any money. Author Central, we could go through. That's where you create your author page. And A+ content, I am just learning how to do. So, but see, run a price promotion, nominate your ebooks, prime reading, and then you even got more marketing resources. So you can do a lot of stuff with the marketing that is on Amazon itself. So maybe we will, like I said, cover those in future videos. But today, that is all we are going to cover. If you have any other questions, you can let me know. Let me just show you quickly. You just go and you find one of your ebooks. I'm not sure I really want to do one of mine yet. Because it requires thought. I haven't thought about that yet. So, but you would just click on that, whatever book it is, and then it would run the K2B Select program. And if people read it, then you get a portion of, I think, or is that another? That could have been something else. I know there's one where if they read that's your ebook. If they read your ebook, a certain amount of views or whatever, you get part of the whole KDP fund. Anyway, that's something. Neither here nor there for that. Maybe I should click on here just to see. I'm going to do something that's more. I'm wondering. Oh, they're all ebooks. Okay, I'm sorry. That's why I was wondering why I didn't have very many. So, okay, let's do this one then. I clicked on that. We'll click continue. I don't have very many on, but I do have some of my picture books on K2B Select. Okay, so we'll just enroll. And easy as pie. See, it just said it's now enrolled. So I don't know if you can do them all at once, or if you want to do them all at once. Probably don't. Depends on how many books you have. So it says term start date is November 9th, and then term end date is February 7th. So you can reach more readers, earn more money, and maximize your sales potential. Okay, so when you choose K2B Select, you elect to make your Kindle ebook exclusive to Kindle. So that's just your Kindle ebook. So I sell my PDFs, my books in PDF form on my website. I'm still allowed to do that and not break the terms because I'm not trying to sell it as on something else, like say Kobo or like any of the other competing sites. It's still exclusive to Kindle. So, all right. So I hope you got something out of this. Hope I didn't ramble too much or lose you. Uh, like I said, if you have any questions or you want to learn more about Amazon, the inside of Amazon, and marketing, or how to create your books, how to make your covers, any of that, you can stay tuned to my channel, or I have a coloring book course that covers still cover pun covers making the covers and the pages. So you could join that course. I'm going to be putting a link to that course when I get it up on my site, and I will post it here at the bottom of the YouTube video, and then you can head over to my site and sign up. And through that, you get access to my exclusive private Facebook group for all the students. So that way we do reviews or talk about helping, like we help each other create the covers and come up with the ideas and whatnot. So, and I'm thinking of doing a weekly training on Zoom very shortly with that too. So if that sounds appealing to you, then stay tuned and I will give you the link. Until next time, take care and have fun.